Hey, good morning. Let's catch some bait so we could catch some big fish. Let's get this rod set up first. See, all I'm gonna do is cut this tiny piece off night crawler. Uh, Maybe a little more. Well, you got the idea, just a tiny little piece. You can put the rest back. Put the rest back, covered up. I mean, if you get fresh bait, I got some bait from the other day. It hasn't been frozen yet. Okay. Let's see how long this is gonna take. I hope it don't take long. Put this in here. Don't forget the bell. I got 3 bells because we're going to use 3 fishing rods. Sometimes I get a bait. I get a bite already. I've got 2 more fishing rods. Of course, they're going to be tangled. Oh, look at that. Oh, they're not tangled up. How about that? Okay, let's put this one here. We got circle hooks on them. Should have kept it in my pocket. Alright, let's cut up yesterday's bait. Let's cut up some bait. There it is. On the one hook, I'm going to put this, and the rest of the body, I'm going to put that. I mean, I like to use fresh bait. So if we get caught, if I catch something before I get a bite, whoop. Alright, I don't want to put that one on this. I want to put the body, I want to put the head on that one. What's the difference? It's your preference, but the head is a little more bloodier because the gills and all. So, all right, make sure I'm not tangled up. Watch the trees. Okay, good spot. It was dropped. Open up the bait runner. Put the bell on. And wait patiently. Do the same thing with this one. I'm not going to throw it as far. Goes the middle. Floating down. Should be on the bottom. Open up the bait runner. All right. Let the show begin. Nothing but to do but sit and wait. You got to be patient. I'm not patient for anything else but fishing. I like to fish here the most. It's I guess the second week of January. January the 10th. We had some nice weather for 2 weeks. So the water should have warmed up. On that fishing rod I have a brim head, and this one I have a body. And this one I have a piece of worm. Trying to catch bait. Just need a tiny piece of it. Good spot. Gotta put this on. Tell you how many times I missed fish because I don't have this on. When I first came out here, there was fog on the water. Oh. See it? See it. He's hitting it. He's hitting it. You got it? Tell me you got it. Perfect size. I'll be with you in a few seconds. Don't come out here without a license. Yesterday, before I went home, there was a game warden here. He had a boat with him, and he took the boat out. I'm not playing. So get your license, and you have nothing to worry about. Okay. I like to use the head because I think it's the bloodiest, and that's what they want. Catfish. Bowfin. I have no weight on this. I gotta put some weight on it. Or do I? Let me put a small piece of weight on it. Quarter ounce. The river is flowing, just not flowing very fast. Oh, let me tell you, there's a lot of debris in here. You better bring a lot of sinkers, a lot of hooks. A lot of guys out here don't know how to fish. And what do I mean by that? Well, they put on 100-pound braid, 50-pound mono, then they get hung up. Let me throw it out again. Then they get hung up. And, well, they can't break the line off, or they have a hard time breaking. They just cut it. Well, when you do that, you leave all that line in the water. You get tangled up. Among everything else. And what happens with a guy like me that uses 15-pound line, because if I get stuck, I just want to break it up and leave the hook down there. I have a nice fish. I catch a nice fish, and I get hung up in that 100-pound line. The only thing for me to do is pull, and I'll lose the fish because I'm using 15 pound. He's got 100 pound out there. Don't ask me why. But if you come out 15, 20 pound line, it's plenty, guys. Plenty of line. Because then you'll see, this is what happens. You can't break it off. You have to cut it off. And they screw it up for everybody else. Thank you for listening. Well, let's see what we could catch. It's a foggy day. It's been warm for a while, for 2 weeks. Okay. Looks like a good spot. I thought I had a hit already. I think I do. I think I do. Let's see. I had a hit. The one too big? What's going on? You know what I'm using? I'm using a night crawler. I don't have any red worms with me. Not a big, not the whole night crawler. What's going on here? Tangled up here a little bit. How did that happen? Come on, up and over. Go through the loop. Okay. Yeah, I got hit right away as soon as I threw it in there. And I hope the catfish and well, I'm really fishing for bowfin, mudfishes, as it is called here. This, you see? I'm telling you, as soon as it's gonna be a good day. It's gonna be a good day. I think I just got too big of a piece of a night roller. I'm gonna have to cut it back. And I got a small hook. I want the other two rods to start doing something. Come on. If I don't get them this time, I'm definitely going to put a smaller hook on. I think I got him though. Okay. That didn't take long. Alright. Got a nice brim. Let's cut them up and throw them out there. Gonna let them hang here for a second. Let me bring the other rods in. Stay there. Okay. Hope I don't get hung up here. Okay, let's get some fresh meat on there. Hold on, I'll be right with you. Let's knock them out first. Where are my pliers? Okay, he's all knocked out. All right, nice piece of meat. It's gonna be another beautiful day here, Myrtle Beach, South Carolina, on the Waccamaw River. Let's see, I bet this one gets hit pretty fast. Nothing like fresh bait. Good spot too. Oh man, that's a good spot. As long as I don't get hung up over there. Want it all the way open. Okay. This on there. Get rid of this. I'm gonna leave that one alone. He didn't even take my bait. Nice. Alright. He's a good sized brim. Now, how did this happen? I'll tell you. Okay. Here we go. Oh, both out there. One guy fishing off the bank. And this is what you do when you're fishing. There's a lot of weeding going on. And like here, I'm trying to catch bait. And usually I catch it pretty fast. That's a good spot. Sometimes they hit as soon as you drop it. You could imagine the fish swimming around like in the aquarium all over the place. That's the way it is down there. Just swimming around, looking. Okay, we're ready for action. As always, I like to fish for, what do you call them? Mudfish, bowfin. Of course, catfish. I haven't caught big catfish here. Usually catch a lot of gar here, which I hate. No one likes gar. Short sleeve shirt. Been like that for 2 weeks now. The water's got to warm up. The fish got to get active. Up, 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 up. Did you see anything? I want to see the other ones get active. That's good. You got to catch bait. You got to catch bait. Then don't buy bait. Use whatever's in the river or the lake that you're fishing. That's natural bait. What happened? Something was pecking at it. Ready? Huh. Oh, good. Still got it. Man, he must have been real tiny. Which is what we want. We want the small fish. Leave the fish in, the big fish in there, so they could make babies. I don't eat fish. I let everything go. And when I fish for brim or for bait, I throw it close, I throw it far, I throw it different places. In there for a few minutes, and then I switch it up. You see, I'm getting hit. I'm getting hit. Can you see it? Reel it down. Oh, he pulled on it. He was pulling. I think I got him. The line's. Oh, the line was moving upriver. All right, he'll be back. They always come back. Already. He's back already. Just for the fun of it, I'm going to leave the bell on. Let him hook himself. Or let the rod bend. It's not a circle hook, it's just a regular J hook. But let's see what happens. A lot of times with a J hook, they swallow the bait too far. So if you're fishing and you're not gonna keep look. If you're fishing and you're not gonna keep the fish, get up and set the hook. But in this case, I could use him for bait. Let's see if he comes back. Oh, did he steal it already? No, he's still on it. Well. Oh, it is bouncing. It is bouncing. He wants it. He wants it. I'll tell you what's happening. Nothing's happening right now. He wanted it. Oh, you gotta come back? Or did you get it? Alright, let's see what happened. Oh, it's still there. Little rascal. Smart. Alright, I'm gonna throw a little further. You throw a little further, you get bigger fish. I think. We'll find out. I don't want bigger fish, but it's interesting to see this telescopic rod. My bait rod. You see them at Walmart I think it was like $18. Love it. Gives you a lot of action for brim, any kind of panfish. I even use it on the ICW when the croakers are biting. Caught one big catfish with it. I was in a kayak. He's on it. He's on it. Ah, you see? You see? See? Come on. Come on. Oh, he got the knife and fork out. He's chopping it up. Yeah, you believe me there's a fish on there? Whoa. Don't you rip the rod out of my hand. Oh yeah, he's on it. He's on it. Come on. Must be a very small fish. Oh yeah, he's still chewing it. I put too much of a, I put up too much, too big of a bait. I got him that time. What are you? See? And that is the problem. Let him eat it too much, and they swallow it. Can I get it out? Oh yeah. Oh yeah. I didn't hurt him. Alright. Let's let him go. Love to see them swim away. Uh-oh. There you go. You're all right. Love to see them swim away. Okay, let's just wait for the big fish now. You know how to catch brim. We got enough bait. At least I do. Back into the seat. I'm waiting for these two rods.